Hello everyone. Today we are going to configure our email ID in Thunderbird. First we will open Thunderbird application. After opening Thunderbird, you can see this button here, new account. Click on this one and click on mail account. If you cannot see this screen, don't worry. We have another method. Look here, the three lines. Click on it. Click on new account and then click on email. It will open the same dialog and enter your name here, and then you will enter your email ID and click on continue button. Thunderbird will fetch IMAP settings for your email ID, but we are going to use POP3 protocol, so I am going to change. Click here on edit configuration and I will change my protocol to POP3. Here you need to enter your incoming server setting or hostname. Then we need to enter your port number. Then connection security will be SSL TLS. Password authentication method will be normal password. And username is your email ID. Now click on continue. On this screen, Thunderbird will ask for outgoing server settings. Protocol will be SMTP, and here we will enter our outgoing server port, and here we will select SSL TLS. Again, the authentication method will be normal password. As you can see, this button is not enabled because first we have to test our settings. So I'm going to click on test. Now Thunderbird will validate your settings and it will enable your continue. Now click on continue and enter your password here. Don't forget to select remember password and click on continue. We are not going to set up our address book and calendar here, so I'm going to close this dialog box. As you can see, my email. We also need to do few additional settings. For that, we will come here, click on settings here, and then we will go in account settings. Inside account settings, we will select server settings. Here you can see this option, leave messages on server for at most 14 days. We will reduce the number of days to 2 or 3 days. Okay, and we will disable until I delete them, and we are done. Now we will close these settings. To check email, we need to click here on this icon, and then we need to click on inbox. You can see your email here. To send an email, you need to click on new message and write your email. After writing your email, you need to click on this send button. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Email ID is configured here.